Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, children. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. كيف حالكم? How are you all doing? Wow! Isn't it exciting that you can learn Quran and Arabic at the same time? I'm sure it is. So let's buckle up and start. We say, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم before the recitation of the Quran. So let's learn together. This is أعوذ بالله. Repeat after me. أعوذ بالله أعوذ بالله. Excellent. One last time. أعوذ بالله. Excellent. Now we put both of them together and recite أعوذ بالله. Again. أعوذ بالله. One last time. أعوذ بالله. MashaAllah. Dear children, to help us recite a poem, we invite Aziz Uncle, who will recite the letters poem.
Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Next 12 letters are from the tongue tip. Tha, 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 ta, da, ta, za, sa, sa, la, na, ra. From the middle are ja, sha, ya. From the edges are da, ka, qa. 6 from the throat, a, ha, a, ha, gha, kha.
Today we will learn only 2 letters. Let me tell you a story of a boy who wanted to give adhan. He said, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. But people were not able to hear him in his neighborhood. A mic came and said, use me. Okay. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Mike, you are great. See how it looks? Ma. Do you see anything that looks like ma around you? Can you make the shape of ma with your hand? A small circle and come down. I'm sure you can. Let me show you how to write ma with a marker and a small whiteboard. Basically, we are going to try to practice how to write ma. First, I'm going to write or draw the circle and oops, that's too long. Let's try again. Oh, that's too short. We want to make sure that we do it properly. Let's do it again. A proper circle, somewhat similar to like a balloon. Come all the way down. Wow, that looks much better. Okay, let's try one more time. There you go. Come down. Excellent. One last time. Wow. And then come down. There you go. That looks very nice. Now, it's your turn. Take a paper, a sheet of paper, and write on it. You can write in the air as well. So what you have to do is basically write in the air with your marker. Imagine that your finger is the marker. Write and come down. Oops, that's too long. Take the circle, draw the circle and come down exactly the same way. Again, one more time. Draw the circle. Uh-oh, the circle is too big. Again, that looks like a better circle. Come down. Excellent. That's perfect. Now, let me tell you, we say ma with lips. Can you think of saying ma without lips? For example, mummy without lips? Let me think. Wait. That's strange. We have to use our lips in order for us to say mummy. Wait. It's very difficult. Therefore, feel the pronunciation of ma. Ma. Can everybody repeat after me? Say ma. Ma. Excellent. Now, I am standing here. You don't see my full body, but still you know me. Sometimes ma can come with face only. And when ma is playing with friends, it holds his friend with his right hand or left hand or both hands. So let us see how we can try to learn this. Dear children, let us take the second letter now, B. B looks like a bat, loves to play bat and ball. Wow! Did you see that? Wow! B loves to play bat and ball. He loves it so much that he became like a bat, and ball is always with him. Do you see anything that looks like B around you? Just look around your house, around your room, and see if you can find anything that looks like B. Can you make the shape of B with your hand? Think. Aha! I got it! Just make your hand like this, stretch your hand out, and you see the shape where you have your elbow. You start from your elbow, go all the way until you finish your fist. You see this? And then you take the dot, the ball, and come here, and that's the B. Can you see the B? Like this, and the dot is excellent. Let me show you how to write B. It's simple and lots of fun. Basically, we start from the right. That's wrong. That's too long. Let me erase it again. And try one more time. I go down. That looks better. Let me go all the way to the left. Oh, I just slipped. Be careful. Let's do it one last time and be careful. You start and you go and you stop. Wow. And the ball is the dot. So we start from the right, go down, left all the way until you come up and the ball becomes the dot. So now it's your turn. Take a paper and write on it. You can write in the air as well. Make your finger as a marker and imagine that the space in front of you is the board. So write and start from the top, come down a little bit, go all the way to the left, go up and place the ball at the bottom, and that is how you write B. Let me show you one more time. Start from the top, come down a little bit, not too much. Take a curve, go all the way to the left, go up, make the ball into a dot. And that's how you make B. Can you think of saying B without using lips? For example, Abu without using your lips. Oh. Wow, that sounds scary, doesn't it? Oh, I'm scared. Therefore, it is important for us to learn how to say the letter with your lips. Feel it. Ba. Can everybody repeat? Ba. Ba. Excellent. I'm standing here. You do not see my full body. Now watch me. You do not see my full body, but still you know me. Sometimes ba can come with face only. Its face is a line with a dot. And when ba is playing with his friends, he holds his friend with his right hand or left or both. Now, let us talk in Arabic with actions. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Wow! Wasn't that the adhan that we hear in Mecca? Yes, that's right. So, wouldn't you be interested to make adhan like that and also understand? I'm sure you do. So come along and let's understand and learn Arabic with actions. My friend is sitting on my right. I say with my finger, one finger, and say huwa means he. Repeat after me. Huwa means he. Imagine your friend sitting on your right. And you say, huwa means he. So we'll repeat 3 times. Huwa means he. Huwa means he. Again, huwa means he. Huwa means he. Again, huwa means he. Excellent. Now, imagine 4 friends sitting on your right. Hum, you're going to show with your 4 fingers. Hum means they. So let's practice this 3 times as well. Hum means they. Hum means they. Again, hum means they. Hum means they. Excellent. You guys doing such a great job learning how to speak Arabic and learning Quran at the same time. Now, it's the time to play Who is Who game. Everybody ready? Let's do it. Let's play Who is Who game. First, ba, ba, ma, 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 ba, ba, ma, ba, ba, ma, ma. So there you see how we can try to find ba and ma from this game. You have to identify where it is hiding. So let us now learn from a different perspective. This game is much more exciting than the previous one. This one is called Where is my ma? Children, let's play the game with ma. He wants to play hide and seek. Don't you want to play hide and seek? But this hide and seek will help us to find our ma. Let's go find him. Where is my ma? I am looking for my ma. Oh, there is my ma. Can you see that? Yes. Where is my ma? I am looking for my ma. It's right there in the middle. Can everybody see that? Excellent. Where is my ma? I am looking for my ma. I can see it. It's at the end. I'm so excited that we are learning together in such a beautiful way. Boys and girls, let's now play the game with letter B. Let's go find him. He thinks that he can hide from us. He can't. Where is my B? I am looking for my B. Oh, there it is, in the beginning of the word. Where is my B? I am looking for my B. Oh, there it is, in the middle of the word. Excellent. Where is my B? I am looking for my B. I can see it. It's right there at the end. Wonderful job. Wow, children, I'm so excited to teach you Quran and talk in Arabic at the same time. I'm sure that all of you are so excited at the same time, and I'm sure that all of us will see each other in our next class. That's all for now. See you next class. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum.